guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and just real quick, want to share with you, this is the new design team, not design team, this is the new paper collection from Country Craft Creations, and it is designed by Tamra Merrill, and it's so exciting. So I knew when I saw this, I had to create something special for you guys, so check it out and let me know what you think. Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you my What's Cooking mini album recipe book. So are you ready? Voila! Here it is. It's not totally finished yet. I did run out of paper, so I have to order some more, but I wanted to go ahead and show you what I created, and the tutorial is ready pretty much to go ahead and edit and get up there. I did design it as I wrote the video, or recorded the videos, so I do have some editing to do, but I wanted to show you what I went ahead and made. So on the front you will see a gatefold style wraparound. This is attached to the book, as you can see, and this actually will turn into the portion to create your easel to hold your book. So what you do is just bring the covers around the back, and with the little tie closure kind of resembling an apron on the front, you go ahead and tie it in the back. And just so you can see, it is cut at an angle, and that is to go ahead and give your book the option to go ahead and lean back, just like as you would if you're doing a cookbook. I did run into an issue. I don't know if I hold it like this, you can see it doesn't quite sit correctly because the book itself is very heavy, so it definitely sags down, which I didn't like because I thought that it was going to put too much pressure on the spine. So it took me a little bit because I had to figure it out. However, I have also created a fold-out stand. So as you can see, it came down. It's pretty heavy. So let me go ahead and show you. So the book would close back up, and this is attached, so it folds around and it sits on. So what you get, let's see if I can show you. So right here, so on this part here, there is little stoppers, I'm calling, and that's what keeps the book from sliding back weird. So the back of the book cover rests on these little stoppers. Let's see. Right there. Now you can see it. So it rests on these little stoppers. So as you can see how this is attached, this would keep the book from sliding back and making this part fold down. Whoops. So you have that just like that. So I know it's hard to see, but this is how that would go. And then the easel part fits in between. So you can see right here, they're notched out because this part of the easel stand needs to rest against the table. So to do that, I had to kind of, so you can see it now. So, and the book will sit even here now for the most part. It doesn't really sag or anything, so that works really cute. So let me go ahead and undo this so we can take a look at the pages. So let me lay it down. So when it is up on its easel part, let me just grab a card. So on the front cover here, there is an acetate, and that would hold your recipe card just like that. So when it is propped up, put it back. But when it is propped up, your recipe card will show. All right, so let's take a peek at the book. So this just goes ahead and flips like that. So right here, there is room. So there's all kinds of room for the recipe cards. So I'll show you the rest of that. Let me fold this down. So it goes like that. And let's get started. Alrighty, so let's take a peek. So we open up. I do have a closure to keep the book closed right here. So that just keeps everything tucked nice and neat. So over here, so there is a lot of stacked pockets throughout this book. So let me pull these out. So you have room right here for 6 cards. and then they would all go in. I did go ahead and create kind of a stopper. Oops. So your cards won't go any further down. They'll stop there. So I show you how to do that, and I actually do a neat trick with undo to show you how to do that. So then they just continue down. This one also has a stopper so your card don't fall in. And then this one does not, because your card shouldn't go further than that because of the height of the card. So it would stop right there. And then there's two long pockets right here for bigger recipe cards. And then we come over here, there's a nice bigger pocket again for larger recipe cards, photos if you want. I went ahead and chopped the corner because I just wanted to give it a cute little decorative element to it. You don't have to chop it, you can leave it just the same. And then a side pocket over here, just like that. Then I went ahead and created these little corner pockets here. I thought that these would be cute for recipe cards. You can add photos. If you have menus from a restaurant that you like to eat at, you can put them in there. So this actually folds this way. Same thing. So then we go back and then we go back again. So I gave you lots of space to add recipe cards, photos, things like that. And then this closes up. Then it opens this way for more of a photo album portion. So these are all photo mats that I went ahead and put in. This is where I've run out of paper, so I did not finish up with this. I will at some point though, once I get the paper, and then I'll show you the whole thing together. And I also want to get some fancy recipe cards because I just don't want to put like white cardstock in here. So it's supposed to be a recipe book and I want to put cards in. So then that is how that page works. And then you flip the whole thing over. So this repeats itself here. Over here, room for more recipe cards. So this definitely features room for recipe cards. And then again, I went ahead and created more. That way there's a lot of room. You can put a lot of stuff in there. So these don't just have to hold recipes. You can put photos, whatever you want to do in here. And there is 3 sections. So let me just show you this one right here. And this is also... So this is undone. And then the same thing here for the photos. And more pockets. And then again. And like that. And then we come over to here. Whoops. And then again, lots more stacked pockets. So, and then right again, I didn't want to put anything on here. I wanted to keep this plain because this does fold up. So this part here, you're not going to see. I wanted to leave this more functioning for what it was made for, the stand. Plus it's got 2 layers of chipboard to give it really nice sturdy base because the book is heavy. So I doubled up on the chipboard for that portion. And then that goes there. If you want, you can always throw a picture here. I kind of letting the paper do the talking. And then again, it just folds all up. You have your little closure. Just like that. And then don't forget you have room for your recipe cards right on front with a nice acetate window, or actually flap. It's not really a window, but it'll keep your card there and it's see-through so you can see your recipe. And then you wrap around the cover and tie it right back up. And there we go. And I don't think I mentioned the spine is, I think it's 3 inches. 3-inch spine. So 9 by 9 with a 3-inch spine. And then the cute little wraparound to keep everything tucked in nice. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this little sneak peek. The tutorial will be coming soon. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.